is front and back. It is an A and a B on here. But please do not, if you don't mind, let's try to stay still. Please do not ask a science teacher for the answer. That's a little cheat sheet. Okay? 1 minute is already down. Now this, oh, you can go. I'm saying you can use whatever resource that you would like. But 1 minute is down.
Why are you not writing your answers down?
You need to write the test. That's my favorite. All right. So it is an A and a B now. And we need, you're at 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I ain't just saying falling in an hourglass. This ain't no regular clock. Yes, ma'am. Oh, good. Let me get the sheet for you. We're going over affected buildings. I'm gonna get a sheet for you. It's a front and back.
There was a reason I wasn't.
Can I get a vote, please? You sit here. Watch your pinky toe. Hey, mama corn bad, boy. Shoot. It was over when I hit a pinky toe. I know I made that up. I'll agree 10% of what I say.
Oh, we know.
All right. 3 minutes, so that means you have 2 left.
I can't find it, pen.
I'm gonna give you my favorite.
Wait, I found one.
So I'm
Oh,
gonna
it's a
take my
pencil.
favorite back.
It's a pencil. Is a pencil okay?
Pencil is okay. Writing utensil. It's A and B now, so you have to flip it over. It's a A and B. I love, ooh, I love this. 1 minute. Did you answer yet, Coach?
They got my pen.
Okay, they now.
I don't have a pen.
Yes, so you wanna be one of those students. She says,
Gonna be one of those.
Lene
use
Turner.
crayon, lipstick, lip gloss,
No.
whatever you want. Highlighter.
This one, Andrew?
46.
Want to find out how many
My
chromosomes
brain is on it.
are located in each one of the cells in your body, called somatic cells. The reason why I do this, if you see the objective, I'm hollering the objective at you in all caps. But the reason why we go over this is because when we introduce cell division, the students always want to know how humans are formed, especially in human anatomy. And it's very, very unique in order to find out that we all were an undifferentiated cell about the size of both of your particular fingers put together. And now look at this beautiful array of what we have in this room, this mosaic that I'm 6'2", 240, and I came from a cell that was extremely small that we can't see. Don't forget to turn the paper over for B, which actually gives you the answer to A. You over me? That's okay. That's all right. All right, at this time, let's go ahead and go over the bell ringer. Does any, pardon? It happens, it happens, thank you. Let's go ahead and go over the bell ringer. I need for someone to read the bell ringer for me, the letter A, letter A. Go ahead, say tight, overachiever,
I will read it.
good job.
Alright. From the objective down, or just?
No,
Okay.
the letter A,
How
the
many
question.
chromosomes are found in each human somatic body cell?
Okay, so somatic means body. It does
Okay.
mean body cell. Yes. Close. The answer is 46. Go ahead and flip. Okay, you knew that, didn't you? Okay, watch this, you all. All right, so now we've established that every cell in our body has how many chromosomes? 46. That's a body cell. That's like skin, bone, nerve cells. But now we'll spin off on that and go over sex cells only have 23. Because when we're made, when we form a zygote, when each of us were conceived, we had to receive a complement of chromosomes from our mother and a complement from our father. So if you flip to the back on B, let's go ahead and look at B. It says when this cell divides. So once we were born, conceived, and from that day on, the cells go through a cell reproduction very, very fast to form the embryo, the fetus, and then we're born in this miraculous particular delivery of birth. Now I need you all to look at B real quick. It says that when that 46 divides, and I always fool my students, and I love math and science together though, but when this cell divides, and I make divide in red, and I underline that mug, because I know somebody gonna tell me that when this cell divides, that each one of those cells will have 23 chromosomes in it, and that answer is wrong.
That's wrong.
That answer is wrong.
Yeah, boy, what the answer is?
What the answer is then?
That's what I said, then.
Yeah, you did say then. All right. This is the whole kicker. Dan, please write this down for me if y'all don't mind. Please write this down for me. DNA must replicate. Please don't change your answer now. You got 23. Leave 23 there. Because we have to learn from mistakes now. Okay, DNA must replicate itself exactly. It has to replicate itself exactly. So if the number starts out at 46, then when it divides, it must end up with 46. Because you don't want half a red blood cell. You don't want half a nerve cell. You don't want half a bone cell. So why do I have that real big old circle in the middle? What has to happen to DNA before it divides?
It has to double.
It has to double. What number will go inside of that circle if it doubles? That's 92. The cell has to double before it does what? Before it divides. So I love tricking, quote unquote, my students, but I really do that to show them that in order for us to have the exact copy, it has to double before it divides. So what's the answer in each one of those cells? 46 and 46. So before it divides, it has to replicate. Something is 23, but what did I say for the 23? Those cells are called sex cells. The kicker was we're doing body cells. Sex cells do they do divide or reduce the number to 23. But we're dealing with body cells. For example, skin cells. Are there any questions? Any comments, questions? That's my 5-minute time. I really appreciate you all more than you know. I am gonna collect that for my own record, if y'all don't mind. And then I'm gonna give it to the aliens. I'm gonna put your name, then I'm gonna give it to the aliens.